Hey guys, what's up? It's Pug. Today, I've got my first set unboxing. The Lego Architecture Sydney, Australia set. So, as you can see, this is rated for ages 12 and up. It's set 21032 and it has 361 pieces. Let's take a look at the back of the box. It has the Sydney Tower, the Dorset Bank Place, Sydney Opera House, and the Sydney Harbour Bridge. If you guys know how to pronounce this, be sure to let me know in the comments. So yeah, let's get into this. So this is going to be part one. This will be the unboxing part of the video. Part two will be a time lapse, and part three will be the review. I'm having a little bit of trouble here, but just bear with me. Anyway, here we are. We have the first bag, second bag, third bag, and finally the instructions. So yeah, that's pretty much it for part one, and I'll see you guys in the time lapse. Bye.